Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking an MVP: catalog, cart, checkout, accounts, and basic order tracking. Once defined, pick a stack that matches team skills: React Native or Flutter for cross-platform, Node.js or Go for API, and PostgreSQL or MongoDB for data. Make sure to plan integrations now: payment gateway, SMS/email notifications, and maps for delivery zones. Start a repo, scaffold the project, and wire basic auth and product endpoints so you can iterate quickly and validate assumptions with users. You now build the apps engine. Implement a product catalog supporting categories, variants, and inventory counts so availability is accurate. Next, code the cart with promotions, tax logic, and a secure checkout flow, tokenize cards, and validate addresses. Once done, create the order lifecycle: receipt, payment capture, status updates, and driver assignment with EDA. Make APIs RESTful or GraphQL, add caching for product lists, and log events for analytics, so you can monitor conversion and optimize performance. You finish by preparing launch. Set up CI/CD, run staging tests, and roll out gradually. Monitor errors, latency, and KPIs like conversion and retention, then prioritize quick UX fixes, search relevance, filters, and delivery fee clarity. Make sure payments, refunds, and inventory sync work under load. If problems arise, use your rollback plan and deploy hotfixes. Implement retries and idempotent order processing to prevent duplicates. One key troubleshooting tip: when orders double,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.